The mold found at the St. John Primary School is upsetting parent Deborah Richards.
2 days last week, we had teachers on sick outs, allowing the children to go home early. This environmental issue is getting worse. We have teachers, pupils taking sick, falling sick, and this is causing a lot of problems, I would say, as far as the children and their education, because they're missing school.
Director of the Education Technical Management Unit, Francisco Miller, told the St. John Speaks at Gaw Hill that on May 27th and June 4th, there was some cleaning.
We dealt with the prefab unit. We would have had a report that there were mold in there. We brought in an industrial hygienist as well as an industrial cleaner. We would have done the fogging and the sanitizing of the surfaces in the prefab units. We also, I must say that the Ministry of Health is leading the charge on this one, and we will be guided by the Ministry of Health.
He added that air quality samples have been fast-tracked, and before the end of this week, humidifiers will be used in the nursery and reception sections. Prime Minister Motley made it clear that she does not want the issue to lag.
What I want is a clear, continuous conversation with the parents, and let us see how best we can make it possible, because as Minister McConney said, we are sensitive to the fact that too many children have already lost too much time.
Minister of Education Kay McConney says they're working on alternatives should deeper cleaning or relocation be necessary.
And we have identified alternative locations that in the event that we do have to move at this time, that we will be able to look at those areas and move temporarily until such time as anything else that needs to be done.
The MP for the area, Charles Griffith, made it clear that the children will not be taken outside the parish for school.
There's one vacant room, so if the class 4s who number 22, if they have to move, then it is possible that they can be housed at the David Thompson complex. So based on what Minister would have indicated, I believe the cleaning will be enough to handle the issues that are there, but just in case that there's a need for a backup plan, we have that in place. And note, like I said, that they're not moving outside of the constituency, next door at the David Thompson complex, and just down the hill at Contingencies College.
Agriculture attracted attention, with Paul Bourne of Peg Farm speaking of private sector involvement.
The initiative that we have taken on at Peg is one such initiative whereby we're trying to create a, I've referred to it as a smart rural community development, and centered on food and farming.
Farmer Ras Ayan does banana and coconut farming and believes if people were better paid, they would farm, but also showed how the industry has changed.
Right now, they want to say Rastafari, they're calling it healthy lifestyle. So all the middle class people eating fruits and vegetables, so the life that we give them free, we paying for it now, because the dearest thing is vegetables. When I first was a Rastaman, I used to sell 10 bananas for $1, right? Now one single banana for $1. So I don't got no problem surviving.
Wendy Burke, CBC News.